Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adetolu and I am super delighted to welcome you here today. So on this channel, I share my personal growth journey as it relates to unlocking success across every facet of life. Look, I am convinced beyond every reasonable doubt, okay, that I was created, empowered, designed, and deployed to this earth to excel, to succeed, to thrive, to flourish, to blossom. So, and so are you. So, in my quest to become successful, okay, I am adapting principles, I am adapting precepts, I am adapting mindsets that helps me unlock, okay, what I have been predestined for. And these principles are what I share because I know that you were also destined to be successful. So today I'll be sharing five concepts of how you can earn passive income as a career person. I'm a career person. I do 9 to 5, okay, but my time in my job 9 to 5 is limited. Even if I want to earn more, okay, there is nothing I can do because it is my time in my place of work is limited. I have 8 or so hours to work and it requires my presence. So it means even if I want to increase my income, there is little I can do. But in today's video, I want to show you 5 other ways that you can start earning passive income as a career person. So the first way is to sell your knowledge, sell your brain. My dear friends, if you have worked 2, 3, 4, 5 years and above in that environment, in that place of work, there is something that you have gathered. Okay, it is called specialization. Whether you are an accountant, you are a marketer, you are a salesperson. For me, I have worked close to 2 decades of my life as a sales and marketing professional. And this is exactly what I teach. Okay, so I've adapted this concept, and in all my speaking engagement, I just help people unlock ways to sell, unlock ways to package their knowledge and sell it to those who need it, offering useful service. So you can package your knowledge, you can package your skill, you can package your expertise, okay, in the form of a product or a service and deliver it to people that need it. Remember, money is a product of value. Okay, provide value and money will follow you. So this value comes from your knowledge, it comes from your skill. If you don't have the skill right now, you can acquire skills. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is that you need to invest, okay, in a high yielding savings account. Okay, I have multiple accounts, for instance, with PiggyVest, Optimus. I'm going to be leaving the link here. And instead of keeping your money in the bank, if you follow my previous videos, I have consistently told you, okay, that that your salary is a seed. There's a portion of your salary that is a seed, and that seed needs to work for you while you are working. Okay, it needs to work for you in the sense that once it is invested in an asset, it continues to yield, okay, multiple income for you. For instance, what I do with this high yield savings account is that I put a portion of my salary in the high yield savings account. By high yield savings account, I mean that account where you earn nothing less than 9 to 20% consistently. For instance, on Optimus today, I have X amount there, and every day this yields me a good income. Okay, at the end of the month, I just mop this money and I use it, okay, for my personal need. Okay, so PiggyVest, Optimus, and sometimes RiseVest is also a good place to put this money, high yield, instead of keeping it in your wallet or keeping it in your regular commercial bank. Keep it in a high yield savings account where it yields money inside your wallet, okay, on a regular basis. And then number 3 is that you need to invest in a mutual funds. So what I do is that the way I started was that I was saving my money in a high yield interest account where it was yielding money. For instance, I started with PiggyVest. For instance, I kept my money there for a whole year. I'll be saving consistently on a monthly basis. It is yielding interest, remember. And then after that 1 year, I lump this money and I put them in a mutual funds. Okay, I currently have an account with with these guys. What do you call them? Meristem Securities or Meristem Investment. Okay, check them out. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So I put my money in Meristem. They are wealth or financial management organization, and they've been there for more than 10 years. Okay, so I put my money there, and I bought mutual funds. And as of today, mutual funds returns between 20 and 25% interest, annual interest. Okay, mutual funds in Meristem. You can check them out. Okay, so you can put your money there. I put this money there and I forget about it. It could be 1 million, it could be 2 million, but just put it there. Okay, it is yielding, and then there's a law of compounding. As it is yielding, it is also compounding on a regular basis. Okay, so keep it there so it continues to work for you. It's earning money passively without you doing any work. You've done the work at your 9 to 5 and you are taking a significant part of it. Okay, put it in a mutual funds and it is yielding, okay, for you. Then the third form of way to earn is via treasury bills. Treasury bill is a form of short-term investment, maybe sometimes 30, 90 days, 180 days, and then 365 days. It does not go beyond that from what I have observed. And on Meristem, the treasury bill usually pays between, I think, 18 to 22%. Okay, and if you have a million naira, for instance, if you keep your money, okay, in a high yield interest account, you've saved your money over 1 year or 2 years, and you have a million naira, you put it in a treasury bill. Okay, it could be for 90 days, for 180 days, or for 365 days. You keep your money there and it earns interest, okay, on within that period. And the good thing about treasury bill form of investment or vehicle of investment is that at the end of the, or at the expiration of the investment, you get your principal and your interest. Okay, so Meristem also affords you, I think, on Meristem, the minimum you can purchase a treasury bill is for a million naira. So, and which you can actually do. And then the fifth form of investment is FG bonds. This is one of my best. Okay, this is one of my favorite. Okay, you cannot lose with this kind of investment. So the truth about this matter, this is what I intend to go into, these FG bonds and real estate, as well as selling my knowledge. Okay, even in my retirement. Okay, FG bonds is, as the name connotes, the federal government from time to time, okay, will I think first week of every month, okay, they will come to people like us, borrow money through investment houses like Meristem. Okay, they will borrow our money, okay, and then use it for their projects and all of that, and then they consistently pay us dividends on a quarterly basis. Okay, this is my long-term plan to go into this for my retirement. So what really happens, you can invest for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years, for 5, depending, okay, on your investment or financial goal. Okay, once you invest with them, okay, they pay you these dividends on a quarterly basis. That's every 3 months you get dividends paid into your account, and at the expiration of the tenure you get your principal back. For instance, if you invest a million naira, 5 million, 10 million naira, okay, if you are supposed to be paid, I think they pay up to between 17 and 20% per annum. So if 10% of if 17% of a million naira, for instance, is 170, this for 1 year, this 170 is split into 4. Okay, so every quarter you get 170 divided by 4 paid into your account on a regular basis. So just imagine you have lump sum in the FG funds. They continue to generate money without you lifting a finger. So my dear friends, I've shared with you 5 ways that you can earn passive income as a career person. One is that you sell your knowledge, you sell your expertise, you sell your skill. 2 is that you invest in a high yield savings account, and then number 3 is that you invest in mutual funds. Number 4, you invest in treasury bills, and then number 5 is that you invest in federal government bonds. Okay, this is what I practice, this is what I do beside my job. I have all of those earning money for me round the clock passively. And I hope you have enjoyed this video and you've learned something. And don't just listen. Okay, one of my mentors tells me, okay, that the best way to learn is to what? To apply what you have learned. That is how you gain knowledge. So I hope that you will pick one of these investment instruments that I've shared with you and run with it, start implementing it, start earning money passively, even though you have your career. Thank you immensely for watching, and I hope you join me in subsequent videos. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, because I churn out fantastic life-changing videos every week. Okay, and do well to hit that notification bell such that whenever I churn out these videos, you'll be instantly notified. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you immensely. Please do well. If you've gained immense value from this video, hit that thumbs up. Okay, give it a like, hit that like, so that we will together tell YouTube that this video is valuable, and they will share it with as many people that need to watch it. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.